Hello, my sisters and brothers. So this is going to be a Christmas tree vlog today. So I'm here in Hobby Lobby and I see this little beauty down here. It's a 3 feet fancy pine and it's going for $17.99. I also see this one right here. Let me just turn here to the side here so you can see it. Look at the little character it has on it, but it's $47.99. Isn't that pretty? It's a 3-foot snow needle pine. And it has a little character on the little man here inside the tree. I also see this gumball tree right here. It's going for $107.99. And it is a 4-foot dual color gumball tree. I also see this 4.5-foot porch tree for $89.99. And it's already pre-litted and it has a little berries and it has the conker balls is what we used to call them, but they're here inside the tree. And I just wanted to show you some of the Christmas stands that they have here if you're wanting to get a Christmas stand or a tree skirt. The Christmas stands are 40% off, but they have them in black. I showed you this one up here, this one right here, and they also have this brown one right here. And they also have that one right there. And of course they have the stands as well if you're wanting to purchase those. Alright guys, so it looks like I'm on the DIY aisle and they have a lot of ribbon here. Everything is 40% off, Christmas decor. And I'm not going to go through all of the ribbon here, but if you see some of the ribbon, like this pretty one right here, this ribbon is $7.99. And you're going to pay $5.99 for this ribbon. That's very pretty. And they have these colors right here. They have these pretty burgundy colors. Look at that one right there. And they also have the bigger ones as well. And they range in different prices, the jumbo balls. As I turn over here, I see the little mini wreaths. Look at these right here. That one is very pretty and they smell very good, guys. Look at those. Look how pretty those are. They're $24.99. This one is $11.99. $24.99. I see these pretty girls right here for $9.99. And what I'm smelling over here is all of these candles they have here, these tea light candles. And they also have the bigger ones that smell. They have this green wreath, spice, pomander. They have the snowfall. They have so many. They have these right here for $15.99. And look at this pretty wreath right here. I don't think it lights up, but I think if you add a little light to it, the colors show. But those are going for $9.99. And they have all of these bowl fillers right here that are arranged in different colors. Look at those. Look at these here at the bottom. And they all smell really good, guys. Look at that. They have these pretty red tea light ones that already light up. They're electronic flickering for $8.99. They have this luxurious simmering potpourri. So you can actually put this in a bowl or a boiler and put it on your stove with some water and it makes your house smell really good. They have these little small DIY projects right here. Look at this right here. These are $3.99 and they have these ones right here. More bowl fillers. They have the gold pines. They have these pretty pines right here. They have so many pines, guys. And they also have the pines inside of the jars. Look at these right here. Those would be nice gifts for someone, but they have this one here and it has the cinnamon sticks on the inside, so I know it smells good. And they also have this one right here. Look at that. That smells very good, and it has a top at the, so you don't really have to open it. You can just smell it because I smell it before I even got out of the aisle. I actually smelled the scent of it. But those are very nice. We have more wreaths here. They have the bigger pines here. Look at those. Look at that pretty wreath right there. This is actually a small wreath. It's $24.99, but that's very pretty. They have these wreaths right here. They have the twigs here. A lot of things that you can make with these here. Look at these ones right here. These are $5.99, but they come in different colors. They come in the green, red, gold, silver. But they have so many of these guys. Alright, so if you're looking for the DIY wreaths, they have these here for, these are $6.99 actually, and they come in red, silver, gold, and green. And they also have the decorative mesh at the bottom, so you know you can do a lot with these here. They have all different color mesh. They have the gold mesh. They have this mesh right here, the buffalo mesh. They have this color here. They have it in blue and silver. They have the gold here. The red here. They have it in white. But you can do a lot with these different color wreaths right here. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you these guys right here. Look at him. He's very cute. He's blinged out for the party. He's also, look at it. I love that right there. He has on his nice coat. She's beautiful. And then they have the angels down here at the bottom. Look at those. Look how pretty those are. They all range in different prices. This girl right here, she's $34.99. She's in her white and gold, and she's in her brown and gold. They have these ones down here at the bottom here. Look how pretty those are. Very detailed. And then they also have the ones here at the bottom right here. Look at her. She's pretty. I love her dress. And look at old Saint Nick right here. And this is definitely old Saint Nick, but he's dressed for the party. And his price is $39.99. Alright guys, so I just wanted to come in Hobby Lobby and let you take a look at the trees, and I saw the wreaths here. So I'm not going to go over all of the prices of the wreaths because there's so many of them. But these are going for, this one right here in particular is $149. Look at that one. That's very pretty, but you get 40% off of these, and I'm just going to let you see what they have here. These will be good for your doors. I've already bought my wreath for my door. I haven't put it on yet, but look how pretty that one is right there. $69.99, 40% off. Look at that there. Those are very pretty, guys. Look at that beauty up there. She's going for $119, 40% off. I'm so in heaven right now. Look at this one right here. Had the pines on it, pine cones with the fake snow. And look at these right here. These are so pretty. I love this one right here. It has the different balls on it, the different color balls on them. But they have so many of these, and they're so long, the garlands. They're so long. And then they have the ones that are inside of the paper here. They're 8 feet. They have the cranberry ones. They have these right here, $14.99. They have these pretty ones right here, $24.99. But they have so many of these right here. But they have so many of these guys. Look, just take a look at them. And they also have the ones that look very real. Look at that, with the little stencils on them. These are $59.99. Look at that. Alright guys, I wanted you to take a look at these right here. But these are actually, I'm not sure what they are. Look how pretty that is. $49.99 for that. That's very pretty. I would hang this on my door actually. It's not a wreath, but it's beautiful. Look at that right there. Let me turn here to the side here, let you take a look at that beauty. And they have this white one here. They have that one right there for $49.99. And I wanted to take you down the last aisle. I wanted you to look at all the bling and the colors. All of this stuff is 40% off. Look at the train set there. Look at that. Now this is when you're getting up in price. I just wanted you to just take a look and feel the Christmas spirit along with me. But some of these things are like very expensive. Like these little trees here, they're $17.99, but they're very pretty. They have the little reindeers here for $24.99. They have these beauties up here. And as I turn to the side here, they have these little white owls here. Let's see what the prices of these are. They're going for $24.99. They have that joy sign there for $24.99. They have these little snowmen here for $19.99. Look at all of the nice things that they have for tabletop decoration. They have this sign right here that says Noel. Everything is just so pretty. And look at the chalkboard right here that says Christmas bucket list. I think everyone needs this right here so they can make sure they get everything that they need for Christmas and just put it on your bucket list. Look at that beautiful picture right there. But they have everything that you need here at Hobby Lobby. Look at the little truck here, and it has the little numbers on it. Guys, this is just a few things that I wanted you to take a look at while I was in here. Look at that. Look at those pretty trees right there. And they have these gold ones here. These right here. Those are really pretty. But guys, I do want to thank you so much again for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, hello, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. If you're returning, hello my sisters and brothers, go ahead and share this video with your friends and family. And as always, guys, I do want to thank you for stopping by my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, guys. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys.